to all of you. Today's online class is different forms of nouns, English. I know you all like my online classes. Keep watching the full video and don't forget to subscribe also. Last class we learned about two types of nouns, proper noun and common noun. Proper noun is the name of a person or name of a thing. Sujata, Ashoka, Taj Mahal, Ganga, like that. Common name is all the nouns other than proper nouns. That is a name we told to a common thing, a particular category of things. Girl is a common noun. Sheep is a common noun. Table is a common noun. Wood is a common noun. Like that, nouns are there. Next is collective common noun. Collective common noun is used only for common nouns. That is, it is a collection of common noun. Flowers is a common noun. A bunch of flowers. When lot of flowers are there as a group, we call it as a bunch of flowers. So bunch, B-U-N-C-H, bunch is a collective noun. Like that, sheep, it is a common noun. A group of sheep. Group of sheep, we call it as a flock of sheep. F-L-O-C-K, flock. F-L-O-C-K, flock. Flock of sheep. Flock means a collection of sheep. So that is collective noun. There are certain names used as collective nouns. Some examples I have shown here. Fill up the table A. Match the table A with B. Example, a swarm of bees. Swarm, S-W-A-R-M, swarm of bees, B-E-E-S. A herd of cows, herd, H-E-R-D, herd of cows. A bunch of grapes, grapes, a bunch of grapes. A crew of sailors, sailors, a crew of sailors, crew, C-R-E-W, it is a collection of sailors, a crew of sailors. Like that, some of the examples are given. You match column A and B. Next is abstract noun. Abstract noun means a quality. It is not a name of a person or name of a thing or name of a collection. It is a thing which we cannot see, but we can feel it. That is abstract noun. Fear is an abstract noun. We cannot see fear, but that thing is there. Fear is present. The girl is fear about the snake. The girl is fear about the snake. Now all are having fear about the coronavirus. All are having fear about coronavirus. We don't know what is, we know what is fear, but we cannot see that. Like that, lot of qualities are there. That qualities are called as abstract nouns. There are so many examples I have given. You go through the examples. Wisdom is a quality. Wisdom is a quality. Memory is a quality. The boy has a lot of memory. Memory is a quality. We cannot see that, but that is present there. We cannot see. Memory is a quality. That is, these words are called as abstract nouns. There are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable noun means we can count the number. Count the number. Example, book. We can count the number of books. There are 6 books. There are 5 bikes. There are 3 trees. Like that, we can count the noun. That are countable nouns. Uncountable nouns are we cannot take a count of that. Examples, milk. We cannot say 3 milks. We cannot say 5 sugar. Or we cannot say 10 water. These are uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. So we have to use some other words to recognize that. Now, with the countable nouns, we can use a and an or any number. There is a book. There are 10 books. There is 1 tree. There are 3 trees. There are 5 flowers. Like that, we can count the number of countable nouns. Like that, we cannot use 3, 4, a or an, etc. in front of uncountable nouns. We cannot use a water. We cannot use a food. Food is uncountable. We cannot use an air. Air, A-I-R, air is not countable. We cannot use an air. But we can use an apple. An apple. Apple is countable. We can use an apple. We say an apple, not a apple, because apple, the beginning letter is a vowel. Beginning letter is a vowel. So we use an there. An apple. But we don't say an air. Like that, a lot of examples I have given. You go through that examples. Keep watching my channel and enjoy it, as well as keep watching the full video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment also. Thank you.